Morning class 6, myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the first video of the revision of the first chapter. It says, food, where does it come from? So this is the first chapter. It is quick revision. I will revise the chapter. So the first topic that comes in the chapter is food variety. What is food variety? Different state and different region of the country or different region of the world, they eat different variety of food, and for making different variety of food, more or less same type of ingredients are used or the components are used. Okay, so what is ingredients? The component of the food is called ingredient of the food. I will explain you with one example. For example, you want to prepare rice. To prepare rice, you need water and the cereal, the rice, to cook rice. If you want to prepare dal, अगर दाल बनाना है, you need pulses, you need water, you need oil or ghee, you need salt, you need spices. So these are the different component or different ingredients of the food. Okay, so if you want to prepare chicken curry, then you need chicken, you need spices, you need oil, you need onion. So different components are required to prepare different dish or different variety of food, and those components are called ingredients. Okay, so the substance that is used to make a food or substance that is used in a food is called ingredients. So where these different material come from, the material that is used to prepare different variety of food, where does it come from? It is either means the source of the material or the ingredients are either plant or animal. Source of different ingredients used in food is either plant or animal. So we get like cereals, we get like pulses, we get vegetable, we get fruits from plant, and from animal we get milk, we get egg, we get meat, we get honey. So different component or the ingredients, or these are the substance that we get from different source, and these substance that we get from different source is used to prepare different variety of food. So we can say these are the ingredients to make different variety of food. Okay, so next is, which part of the plant or the product that we get from the animals is edible? Means what is edible? The material or the substance that is safe to consume or safe to eat is called edible. So different part of the plants can be edible. For some plant, fruits are edible. For some plants, roots are edible. Edible means that can be eaten. For example, root of carrot can be eaten. Sometimes stem can be edible. For example, sugarcane, stem is a edible part. Sometimes leaf can be edible. For example, spinach, the leaf of the spinach can be edible. Or so different part of different plant can be edible. Okay, next is, sometimes in some plants two or more part of same plant can be edible. For example, mustard plant, mustard seed is used because we get mustard oil from mustard seed, and mustard leaf can be used as vegetable. So in mustard, two part of the mustard plant is edible or which can be consumed by us. Okay. So next is I have already discussed what we get from the animals. We get honey, milk, and all those things that we get from animal. Next is, what do the animals eat? Means what, from where animals, what animals eat. So on the basis of eating habits, animals are categorized into three categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. What is herbivores? Plant and plant eating animals are called herbivores. Cow, horse, goat, deer. These are the example of the herbivores. Herbivores eat plant and plant product. Next, carnivores, animals that eat flesh of other animal is called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, these animals eat flesh of other animals, so they are called carnivores. Third category of animal is omnivores. What is omnivores? Animals that eat plant product as well as flesh of other animal is called omnivores. For example, deer, for example, crow. These are the example of omnivores because they can eat plant products as well as flesh of other animal. Okay, so this was the first chapter, revision of the first chapter. Important point already discussed. One point is missing, one point I have to discuss. What is sprouted, ankurit chana? What you have to do, you have to take moong or gram, place in a container and add some water in that and leave it be undisturbed overnight. रात भर के लिए उसको छोड़ दीजिए. Next morning, the gram or the moong that you have taken, that will be swollen, means that will increase in size. Now remove all the water and take all the grams in a cloth, dry cloth, and wet it, means cover, keep that gram. Next day, keep that gram in a cloth, wrapped in a cloth, and wet the cloth. कपड़ा को थोड़ा सा भींगा कर छोड़ देना है. When you leave it as it is, after one day, small white outgrowth can be seen. This is called sprouting of gram, and this type of grams are called sprouted gram. Means take gram, place in water for one night, next day remove all water, cover in a cloth, cotton cloth, and wet it and leave it again for one night. Next day you will get white outgrowth in the grams, and such grams are called sprouted grams. Okay, so by this chapter is completed. Still anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you.